If you're a beginner and you wanted to explore more into the concepts of Python and got really bored by studying theoretically, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll be looking about logical operators. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any further updates. Now let's get into the video. So in the logical operators, what we do is we will check whether an expression is true or false. Is true or false. And for this we have three operators. The first operator is AND. We call this as logical AND. And there is a truth table to check the expressions. So first I'll tell you the truth table and then we'll move on to the expression. So in this logical operators, we give two or more expressions and find the output for that as true or false. So in coming to the truth table, true and true will give you true. True and false will give you false. False and true will give you false, and false will give you false. And the next one is OR. We call it as logical OR. And the truth table for this will go like true or true will give you true. True or false will give you true. False or true will give you true, and false or false will give you false. So in AND condition, only if both the conditions are true it will give you true, and in OR condition only if both are false the output will be false. And the next one is NOT operator, and we call it as logical NOT. Now let's see the truth table. In NOT there will be only one expression, and not true will be false and not false will be true. So we'll be evaluating an expression, and if the result is true, not true will make it false and not false will make it true. And now let's evaluate the expressions. For example, first we'll see for AND. I'll give an expression as 5 greater than 2 and 6 greater than or equal to 6. So first 5 greater than 2 will be evaluated. 5 greater than 2 is true, and 6 greater than or equal to 6 is also true. So the output will be true. Now let's check for OR condition. I'll take it as 5 greater than 2 or 6 less than 6. So 5 greater than 2 will give it as true, or 6 less than 6 is false. So according to the truth table, true or false will give you true. And the last one is for NOT. NOT has only one expression, so it will be NOT 5 greater than 2. So 5 greater than 2 is true, so not true will give it false. This is all of the expressions. Now let's get into the code. First I'll try for logical AND. A is equal to 5 greater than 2 and 6 greater than or equal to 6. This is AND, and the next one is logical OR. I'll give B is equal to 5 greater than 2 or 6 less than 6, and the last one is logical not. And this I'll give it as not 5 less than 5 greater than 2. And now I'll print one by one. Logical and the output will be for A, and the next one is logical OR, it is B, and the last one is logical NOT, it is C. Now let's run the code. Okay, so the first one is true, the second one is true, and finally the last one is false. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe my channel, and for any doubts you can ask me in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.